Hey guys, how you doing? We're starting today a new video here at National Speed. It's a new speed shop here at Richmond, Virginia. They're having an open house. You can see a bunch of people out here today. There's their sign. We're gonna go ahead and go inside and take a look. Sorry about that, guys. Take a look, see what's going on inside. All right, we're inside the shop now. They're doing some Dyno pools over here. I'm going to show you how they have it going on and how they have it set up. It's a little loud, but how you doing? Anyway, and they got a running tally over here. What people are running on that board. Oh, don't come on behind me, guys. So, yeah, so we'll see how these cars do. This is their dyno. It's all-wheel drive dyno, front-wheel drive, and rear-wheel drive. Like I said, they have it enclosed. Instead of putting a fan in the front here, they have a air circulating unit and uptake strap in the back, so they can keep it closed the whole time. So it does pretty good. And this is a list of what they have running. So right now they've got some cars up there and what their guest horsepower is and what it actually is. So we'll see how it goes. So let's go take a walk around the shop and see what we have going on here. So let's take a look over here, see what they got.
Big fat thing overflowing. Skin tight dress couldn't hold it. Way too thick like it's swollen. Got you too bad and you know it. When you drop down, lose focus. When that thing clap, that's a bonus. That cake looking appetizing. Backpack food, that's a crisis. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my bread. Look like you do ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you tiptoe. Say something when you tiptoe. No brakes when you push that back. Left, right, do it just like that. Hold tight when you tiptoe. Hey yo, God bless you from behind it. One hand up like the Heisman. First class seat when you're riding. Wine that thing like it's spineless. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my breath. Look like you do ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you tiptoe. Say something when you tiptoe. No your tiptoe.
Well, they went ahead and slid my car in there, so now I get to see what it does with this dyno. Right there, and catch you in a second. Well, I did 669 on their dyno, so it's not bad. I did 670 on 675 on the other one, so it's right in tune. Oh boy. Yeah, wait till I edit this one. Anyway, there's Cheyenne. Well guys, we just made it back home. You saw on the dyno, on their dyno, I ran 669 or 667. I forgot what it was. I'll look it up in the video. So like I said, not too bad. Like I said, it did pretty much what it does. It varies with temperature and heat and this, that, and the other. So it goes between 675, 670 up, you know, to 700. So would have done a winter pool, it'll probably been close up to the 700 mark. But anyway, not too shabby, not too shabby. It was a nice little shop. Like I said, they just opened up here in Richmond, and so like I said, they're trying to get their name out there in the brand here in Richmond. They're from North Carolina, I believe. So, but anyway, there is Pam's car, there's my car, and we're wishing y'all a happy weekend, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
Life.